I'm out in Utah again, just like in last week's video. Last week I fished a fork way up above where I'm at right now and caught some native cutthroat trout. For this week's video, I wanted to fish further downriver and try to get into more species. I don't know anything about this river. I picked out a spot on the map to park. I've just been walking, trying to find some access down to the river that's not going through this thick stuff behind me. When I find access, I'll get to fishing. I got the 5-weight fly rod, floating line. I'll start out with a dry fly, just a caddis, but I got nymphs, streamers. The river sounds pretty high. Hopefully we can get on some fish today. I'll check back in when I find the river. Fish on, guys. First fish. Oh, nice. What do we got here? Can't tell if it's a rainbow or a brown yet. Beautiful fish though. Hammered this dry fly. Let's see. Nice brownie. Wild brown trout. Awesome fish to start. Dang. Beautiful little wild brown trout right there. Thank you, buddy. Heck yeah, y'all. What a way to start today. The river is high, it's moving pretty fast, but I just casted that dry fly right in the slack water next to these sticks and stuff right here. That thing came up and crushed it. All right, after catching the brown trout, I tried some nymphs and streamers up there. Then I walked downriver quite a bit and it's a lot calmer down here. So I'll be able to cross when I need to, which is very fortunate. I saw this little run, I got excited. So I walked right up here and spooked 3 or 4 fish, but seems like a good spot for fish to hold. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a brownie. He had his mouth on it for a second. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's up in that tree. Really bad. Bummer. Let's see. Do I still got it? No. I was thinking about doing a dry dropper anyway. All right, before I put a dropper on, I'm just gonna throw this big hopper around a little bit. And then I'll add a heavy dropper to it if I'm not getting any love on it. Oh, had a hit. Small fish, but a hit. Oh, had another follow. Might be a little too big. Oh, fish on, guys. There we go. Maybe it's not too big. Not, oh, got off. Honestly, I think he hit it with his tail and I think it was foul hooked. I don't know if I have any smaller yellow hoppers because they're really liking this, but. Oh, fish on, guys. Ah! They are liking this. Let's keep it on for now because it's got their attention. Oh. Definitely has their attention. Seems like it's casting in this shadow over here. You know, he's getting the most attention. Bailed at the last second. All right, one more bail like that and I'm gonna change it up. Probably something smaller. All right, let's change it up. That's fun. Gotta start connecting with them though. Yeah, I think the one we had on for that little fight, I think it was foul hooked. Just the way it was pulling, felt heavier than the fish looked, so. Yeah, it's a big hopper. Fish on, guys. Finally got one. Switched over to a little like cicada that my buddy tied for me. Oh no, is it a foul hook? Oh, it's right underneath the jaw. I don't know. Oh, I almost fell. But it's a little like cicada pattern. No, it's a clean eat. Nice. I thought he was foul hooked. Nope. Nice. Skinny little brown trout right there. Took that little cicada my friend Tyler tied for me. Thanks, Tyler. All right, buddy. There you go. Yeah, skinny brownie right there. Oh, I just had a fish following this dry and I pulled it away. I didn't even see him. Oh, there we go, fish on. Oh, he got off. Nice. Had one follow it. I was just casting it up to walk up river and then had the next one hit it. So, seems like I should have more than 2 fish on the day. Missed some, foul hooked some, a lot of swing and misses or probably bailouts at the last second. This run is pretty long, so hopefully there's some more fish as we work up. Oh yeah. Ah! Another miss there. I had him for a second. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh guys, man, I'm having some trouble connecting today, but at least we're getting them coming up, getting some eats. It's a lot of fun, but I'd like to get a few more fish to hand. Oh, goodness gracious. One just came right from under that log. Smoked this. I wasn't ready to set the hook. I was just trying to pull the fly actually so it didn't get caught up in that log. Man, that was cool. There we go. There we go, guys. That was a clean eat. Nice. Looks like a rainbow. Fighting like a rainbow. Nope. I was wrong. It's a brown. I can't see today. It's a beautiful brown. That's awesome. Thank you, buddy. Beautiful. Well, heck yeah, everybody. 3rd wild brown trout of the day. Beautiful fish. We finally cracked the code with this orange and black cicada, beetle, multi-bug pattern that my buddy Tyler tied for me. Thanks so much, Tyler. Let's try to catch some more. All right, this section is the one earlier where we had a lot of hits. Had to go through those fly changes. Maybe something's ready to hit again in here. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This one is a rainbow. Finally got our rainbow. Like a pretty little wild rainbow trout. No, that looks like a stocked bow. Sorry, the fin's all beat up, but awesome eat. Thank you, buddy. There he goes. All right, I'm gonna walk down to a new place. I'm just gonna let this dry fly hang out in front of me as I walk down. See if anything wants to snatch it up while I'm walking. Fish on, guys, nice. Ah, another one got off. Kind of the story of the day. Whoa! Whoa! Dang, guys, it just started storming like that. Thunder and lightning pushing overhead, and the wind is getting strong. I had to take a break for a bit. There was some thunder and lightning overhead, some hail came. That's passed through. I see some blue skies coming. Still raining on me right now, but I'm fine to fish in the rain, just not with thunder and lightning. This water seems like it's going fast, but it's not all that strong. If I was more unstable, I wouldn't be wading in it like this, but it feels good. It was just thunder and lightning hailing on me, and now blue skies again. I mean, there's some clouds up there, but that's pretty crazy. Fish on, guy. Ah! Another one lost. No way. That was on. It's getting ridiculous. Fish on, guys. There we go. Finally get this one to us here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's going down. Gotta hold on to this one. He's in the soft stuff over here. Oh man, you don't want to lose this fish. Let him run a little bit. Try to get him to some softer stuff. There's not really any softer stuff near me. I'll walk him down. I'll walk him down, keep tension on him. That way I don't have to pull them up all these rapids. Some slacker stuff over here. It's a nice, pretty brown. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Oh yeah, got him. Awesome, y'all. Beautiful little brown right there. Those spots on that fin there. Awesome fish. There he goes. Nice, y'all. Dang, feels good to have gotten on another fish. All right, I think I got one more stretch in me. I'm gonna go back to the place where we got into the most fish, where we caught 3 or so of them. I'm gonna do that run again. Hopefully we can catch some more fish. Fish on, guys. What do we got here? Little rainbow, it looks like. Yep. Oh. Maybe I'll just wait to guess until I got the fish to me. No, another brownie. I don't know my fish. There we go, y'all. Sweet. Thank you, buddy. Well, we missed a lot of fish, but we've definitely got some to the net. Been a ton of fun. See what this last stretch has for us again. See a rock ahead of me. Let's see if there's a fish behind it. Nope. At least not one that's eaten. Oh yeah. So much action today. You know what? I'm not disappointed about the misses. It's way better to have a ton of action, even if you're missing some when they get off. Fish on, guys. Nice. Oh, sweet. Jumper. Get him out of the sticks. There we go. Dialing it in a little bit towards the end here. Another beautiful brownie. Oh yeah, good looking fish. Beautiful brown right there. Awesome. Thank you, buddy. Got him. Nice, y'all. Sweet. Little rainbow. This one is a rainbow. Second rainbow of the day. Fly already came out. Take a look at this guy. Almost looks like the first one we caught. It might be the first one we caught. Thanks, buddy. That rainbow looked a lot like the very first one. Very first rainbow that we caught. Remember, there was a brown trout right next to that log over there. Fish behind it first. All right, let's see. There's magic over there. Fish on, guys. Got it. Got that fish. Oh! Oh, we got off. That's the story for the day. The log right there, I let that fly slide down the log and it took it. That's what got the fish to take it. Had him on for 2 seconds and it got off. That happened a lot today, but we also got a lot of fish to the net. Today was a blast. I hope y'all enjoyed the footage. Thanks so much for joining me, Kevin Rapp Cook Fishing. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.